Hi everyone, my name is Griffin Coggan and today I will be doing a video on how to navigate this blog on Minecraft and shapes, as well as providing a little bit of video output on how to operate Minecraft itself. So to begin with, we start off on the home page, which just includes a brief overview of what's going to be found inside this project, a little video regarding Minecraft itself from Mojang, the brief overview of what's going to be found in this Makers project and what students will be expected to achieve. So we just head over here to the content section. You can see it has a little drop-down menu including the project overview, the project content, a little bit more of the project content, and an About Me page. So first we're going just to head to the project overview section. In this section it will include an overview of what will be found, some images on what is expected, the curriculum standards found from ACARA, and the learning outcomes, which include this list right here, which you'll be able to read through when you read through the blog. It also includes a meaningful learning framework that includes all the aspects of meaningful learning and how it attributes and contributes to this assignment. Next, we head to the project content section. This section involves all the lesson structures and planning that will be done in this project. This project is a 6-lesson plan, which will involve doing different activities regarding shapes, measurement, geometry, and getting students used to Minecraft itself. So it will include an overview of what is to be expected, and what tools and equipment will be required for each of the sessions. As you can see, there are 6 sessions, all of them doing different things that will help boost the students' involvement and learning. On the next page, we have the final product expectations, which is basically a summary of what teachers should expect their students to be able to achieve and what shall be found in the final product. There are some examples provided on what the final product should look like, as well as a marking rubric for this task. And finally, we have the About Me section. This just includes a brief paragraph or two about myself and my contact details should you need to contact me about any further information. As you can see, it is easy to navigate this blog just with simple buttons at the top or a content drop box to the left. Now we are just going to quickly swap over to Minecraft Education Edition just to give a quick run through of how to operate the program and a brief example of something I have prepared beforehand. So as you can see, we're on Minecraft now. We're just going to click play, view My Worlds. We're going to visit My World Creative as this is where I have built my piece. Just give it a second to load. Yep, here we are. Don't mind the cow. As you can see, I have already built a 3D shape beforehand. This shape is a rectangular prism, and as you can see, I have signs around the shape that include its perimeter, its area, its capacity, and the individual shape sizes. Students will be expected to do something similar to this, as this is the main body of the project. They are free to use whatever blocks they want, and as long as the shape fits into a 20 by 20 by 20 area, the shape can be whatever they wish. That'll be all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy the project, and thank you for watching.